Now we will measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the ground for servo. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the power supply for the chip, and for servo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the ground for the chip. Now we can power up the project by 5 volts battery, or we can connect the green wire in 5 volts and the white wire in ground. Then we can power this board on by USB power supply. Then our project works fine. Now you can only power this project up by 5 volts battery. You cannot reprogram this chip, but if you want to add or remove some things in your project, you should, or to change all your project, you should remove the chip from here and you replace it again here, then you can program it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.